Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then body volume. Okay, total body volume constitutes around 8% of the body weight. Total body volume constitutes around 8% of the body weight is sorry. Total body volume constitutes around 8% of the body weight. And if we see among this 8%, plasma constitutes around actually the plasma constitutes around 5% of the body weight. Then the blood cell volume constitutes around 3% of the body weight. So total blood volume is around 8% of the body weight.
thank you and thank you for watching.